What's up guys, and welcome to our 2024 YouTube Wrapped, where we are going to debrief over 2024, talk you through some of our most liked videos, all of the juicy details of the channel, whilst also, because it's Christmas time, making gingerbread houses.
I have never made one of these in my life.
Neither, and I'm incredibly competitive, so.
I've seen it in like American movies, but
yeah.
I didn't know it was a thing here, to be honest.
So we're gonna make these whilst we chat to you about what 2024 was like for us and for the YouTube channel.
Fantastic, let's get right into it.
Don't look at the instructions. No, that's cheating. No instructions.
Oh, I thought it tells you kind of basically how to do it. You don't have to copy, it's however you want, right?
Yeah, so don't look at instructions.
Okay, all right.
Did you just break yours? Uh-oh.
I can't believe I broke it already.
Okay, so we're breaking this down into sections. We've got channel related and then kind of like life related slash personal related. So we'll start with the channel related.
We'll quickly go over some quick statistics of the channel from the last 365 days.
This was our most watched video, which took me by surprise because this was towards kind of, I guess, the end of the year.
Yeah.
But this video really did it for us.
We only released this a few months ago. Maybe it was pure luck. Maybe it was a really good video. I enjoyed this day a lot though.
So did I.
A very interesting experience.
If you haven't watched the video, we ate. Okay, well, we ate a lot of things in this video, but I think the reason that it got a lot of views was we ate pork intestines, which apparently is like a big thing in the Philippines.
Definitely try it one day. We tried lechon in the video as well.
It got 18,510 views, so.
So far. Every day it's still getting more as well.
Yeah.
Insane.
Wild. Our most liked video was also the lechon slash intestines video with 660 likes. It's also got honorable mention of 19 dislikes, which we've come to learn is just people with a bloody bee in their bonnet. Like,
well,
why would you dislike a video? I suppose if they're like vegan or something.
I suppose so.
This also surprised me. This was the video that we had the highest watch time on, which is my succulent tattoo video, which I guess if people are like looking to get a succulent, they would want to watch the process start to finish. So actually it kind of does make sense.
It's good.
Yeah.
And you still love your tattoo, right?
I am obsessed with my tattoo and I think about it all the time. Oh, are you cementing first? I'm decorating first, I think.
Is that what you do with this?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Should have read the instructions.
This is, okay. No, you've made me panic now. Okay, so this is one for Ryan because if you didn't know, Ryan is pretty much our main editor. I just show up for the videos. Ryan does all of the hard stuff. And so do you want to talk about what the hardest video to edit was?
Probably the day in Bohol in the Philippines kind of gave me a hard time. I worked on that for a couple of weeks. A little bit every day, obviously not all day every day. I think the reason it was difficult was that was a very long day. I think we spent 12 hours out that day doing the tour. And we filmed a lot. I think I had like 15 hours of footage to go through. Not only because we were filming on our main camera, but we film on little cameras as well. Quite often the same thing on different cameras, and it was about a total of 15 hours. And I think the video was only about, 14 minutes long, to give you an idea. You have to watch all that footage. And there were also things in that video that we decided not to put in there because it wasn't
something we agreed with.
We didn't agree with it, which we talk about in the video. So yeah, a day in Bohol was definitely one of the more tedious ones to edit, that's for sure.
Yeah. This was our longest video to film, and I don't know if it like fully shows in the video, but we were in this national park for like
a day.
Yeah. 8 hours.
Yeah. looking for wild elephants, which we didn't want to rush, with that being said.
No, and we wanted to see them in the wild, so that's kind of just...
What you do.
It's what you do. Oh, my house is so off-center.
It's crazy, a lot of our videos, not all of them, but I would say a lot of them take 4 to 5 hours of filming, at least.
Yeah.
To produce like a 10-minute video of like the best parts.
Yeah.
You alright? Need help?
My house is experiencing a landslide.
How cool.
Yours looks better than mine.
Yeah, well, just happens sometimes in life. There's always going to be someone better than you at something in life, Sam.
Okay, our top geographies. I don't know what these results would have been if it wasn't for
Going to the Philippines?
going to the Philippines.
Yeah, it seems to change, like every year it seems to change a little bit. Our top geography this year was the Philippines by a country mile.
And then secondly was America, the US. And then third was...
Australia.
Yay! Our friends over the ditch. So, how many videos did we make?
We made a total of 27 full-length videos and 42 short-form videos this year. A few months into this year, we actually started making a long-form video every fortnight as opposed to every week.
That saved us, man.
It did. So for the last 2 years, we used to produce a video every week, a full-length video. And then we kind of decided we want to start putting more effort into these videos and taking our time.
This year, we gained 635 subscribers.
Amazing.
Which is like actually so insane. Wait, yours is starting to look better than mine.
What is that, like 1.7 or 1.8 a day? Almost 2 a day?
That was good maths. Did you work that out or did you work that out in your head?
Yeah, in my head.
Oh my gosh.
That's not too difficult to say.
Okay.
Almost 2 a day. So that's pretty good.
I think so. We didn't really get that much hate this year. Well, we didn't the year before either. We were discussing whether to chat about, I guess, negative comments and like hate comments and things like that, but we truly, honestly didn't get that many. So anyway, that is it for channel related stuff. Now we have like random, I guess this is still channel related, but like random facts. How many beds we slept in this year?
That's kind of a fun one. We slept in 20 different beds this year.
That's still a lot.
I think it's a lot. I don't think it was as much as last year.
It wasn't, because
but
we slowed down a bit.
We did slow down a little bit, but still a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, 20 beds and 15 cities.
Okay, that's a lot.
15 cities is a lot.
Yeah.
We caught 21 flights. That's a lot.
It is a lot for 1 year.
Did you learn any travel lessons or do you have any travel tips?
We've made a few videos on travel tips. One tip that we took away this year, which we explained in a video from a few weeks ago, ChatGPT, amazing. Use AI, guys. Even if you're not a big fan of AI, you know, like we actually used ChatGPT to plan our whole Philippines trip. We actually booked the Philippines trip like 10 days before going. So we use ChatGPT a lot. But even if you don't want to use it to that extent, use it to look for restaurants or bars or speakeasies or actually anything. It came in really handy. It kind of removes all the research that you would do on Google.
Yeah.
And it just kind of does it in 2 seconds for you and makes it really easy.
Okay, welcome to the personal section of this video.
Let's not get too personal.
What was your favorite video?
My favorite video was definitely in the Philippines,
Are you gonna say mine?
in a little place at the bottom of Cebu called Hobslop,
Damn it, you're gonna say mine.
swimming with the whale sharks. Yeah, this video wasn't that popular, and it always seems when we do these recap videos, our favorite videos were more
Like the ones that we enjoyed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every video that we're talking about right now, I'll link down below. But probably, and we say it in the video as well, one of the most amazing experiences of our life.
Hands down.
Definitely one of the most fun days I've had in a long time.
Yeah.
I don't want to say in a long time. Most days are fun, but that definitely peaks it.
I agree. I just think nothing could have like prepared us for, oh my goodness, for just how like incredible and magical that day was gonna be. We actually booked the tour through Klook, which, shout out to Klook, because I've always been scared of them. I don't know why I've always been scared of them, but
it's foreign probably.
But yeah, we booked it through Klook, and start to finish, the entire experience was phenomenal.
See, I didn't really color code my house.
Wow, that stresses me out.
I've got a very flamboyant house.
Favorite foods, and I'm gonna go first.
Go on.
One of them, oddly enough, was in New Zealand, and it was at Culture Fest.
Yep.
And it was the Rwandan food,
That was
particularly the spinach.
That was amazing.
So good, hey?
Yeah.
And longanisa in the Philippines.
For me, it would be sisig in the Philippines and lechon.
Oh yeah.
I could eat that every single day, for sure.
Yeah. What's our plan for next year, Ryan?
That is a very good question.
I don't know if we've spoken about this before.
I don't think we have either. You can do the honors.
We're getting married!
Yay!
Yay! I think we've spoken about it before. If we haven't spoken about it, we're filming a video about it, so that's fine.
We will release something about it.
Yeah, we're getting married in Bali. We've been planning it for
A while.
like forever.
Getting married in a different country, even though we lived in Bali, yeah, there's a lot to consider.
Yeah, it's like a whole nother thing.
It's a lot of fun planning it, but
I'm loving it.
a lot of work, guys.
We also are hoping to make it back to the Philippines.
We'll probably live in Bali for a little bit.
I think, yeah, live.
Go back. We miss Bali a lot. Travel more of Indo.
Yeah, so anyway, that's our plan for next year. We're back in New Zealand, obviously, at the moment. That was never going to be for long. Sorry to my family.
I can't wait to go.
I know, me neither.
I just miss culture and food and everything else. You know what I love the most about it all?
Freedom.
Freedom. I love waking
Were you
up.
actually going to say that?
Well, yeah, in a roundabout way. Like, I love waking up every day and going for a walk in a new direction that I've never seen in my life before.
Yeah.
And I feel that when you're in one place for so long, like, we can go up the road. We know what to expect.
Yeah.
I love the unknown. I think that's what really attracts me to it.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I like yours more than mine.
The structural integrity of mine is not there. I love your WO. That was
Yeah.
genius. It's like a world-owned content creation house.
There you go. How long do these last for before you have to eat them? Because I'm really not hungry.
I actually have no clue. Okay. That is it for another year. I hope you guys liked our little debrief of what this year looked like for us.
Hope you like our houses.
Absolute works of art. Let me just... This? Beautiful. Wait, we could take a bite out of the whole thing. Well done.
You too.
Hey, well done in general.
Thank you.
You do like 80% of the work for World Owned. All the editing. You make sure all the tech is ready and charged. I am a power princess. I don't charge anything and everything is always just magically charged. So
Amazing.
amazing, magic. I don't know how it happens.
Okay.
No, you are how it happens. And I'm incredibly grateful for you and all of the work that you have done this year for our channel.
Thank you.
It has shown.
Cool. Thank you for showing up.
I'm making gingerbread houses.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Make sure that you're subscribed. New country next fortnight coming out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Have a great year ahead.